look at Wizkid. Look at him. Yeah. He said, Papa even see drops of I'm bigger than the Eddies. Able to collect Grammy. You did there when people don't collect Grammy. You see Wizkid now they do well. Beyonce come feature Wizkid. By the way, sir, if I catch Wizkid, you know him. One. Wizkid. Wizkid is racist. When they sing with Nigerian artists, no accent. American artists, accent. You go use diction. Totally me one time. Totally me 2 times. Totally me 3 times. Totally me 4 times. What is calling you? You want to sing with Beyonce? Wizkid they do brown skin girl. Brown skin girl leper. Best thing of the world. I said I wish they do world. Why you know if you do totally me 1 time too? Very anyhow. I don't know they call the feature artist. Imagine say Portable is so big right now that even American artists they with me come America make the feature. So they for again what they do for America, Usher request for Portable. I don't no jokes. Why is a joke? Imagine this kind of word now. Usher just come say, yo, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say a big shout out to my guy, Portable. Even he said, Bishop, how are you? He said, yeah, Portable. Say, I want to say a big shout out to my guy, Portable. In fact, tonight, I'm going to do a song for my brother, Portable. No, my time, no, make it go. Imagine us just say, ladies and gentlemen, this song my brother Portable, and it starts to Zazel, Zah. Look at your neighbor, say neighbor, Zazel. Aratuko, Chuchuti Zazu, follow. Oh, let's see. Oh, yeah, get to my ball. Portable, Bado, baby, Chabaye. Oh, because I know your man, no, I know you. Since she done the chill with Sammy Daddy, Pokuli and Kobagi. Let's go. Now my baby don't deserve you. Okay, this joke is for you. Maybe tell a team yo. Now my baby don't do who you pass, let you pass, my baby. Kala, that you, who I can. Who showed up on it? Are you happy? And this is for you. Then don't they call my baby? Zekota Zedie. I want they pursue me. Can I do one more? Make her they go. Okay, they pursue me, but I have to quickly do this. Sir, ma, you guys, don't comment, don't forget the next line. We all. I must tell you the truth. I don't travel around the world, okay? Hi. So, bros, you where they pack my money come. Let's take a picture together. Where's the photographer? All the money. I got share of headline in case I find out. Just love and I go settle this case. I don't know, you have to park this thing like. Okay. If you one thing where my guy they talk about airports, I don't travel. And I realize we don't really get airports for Nigeria. But we get a compound where they park there. And I say it's true, yes. Let me Abuja Airport. Okay, for you to be happy, Abuja Airport and others. Okay, all the airports, apart from Abuja Airport. Oh yeah, we have airports in Nigeria, but come on the air, just leave the port. Sir, I travel to go America. If you see the way they announce flights, even if you know they go that port, you go enter the flight. You go here, or attention please, and it comes with echo. All passengers from British Airways to Lagos should please proceed for boarding. People go carry bag. our MM2. First of all, from outside, they don't threaten you. You go for London, if you travel, are you going to Manchester? Please follow me. Let's go. Our airport. If you are not traveling, go back. I will not repeat myself. If you are not traveling, go back now. I can't go back there. Go back. With this roll back. Don't go. Go back, Joe. Why you they shout? The annoying part of the way they announce that flight. Either the girl know hear English, or the plane, or the airport speaker know they walk. They will come speak one nonsense English, who will make you miss your flight. Because you intention, please. Intention to do what? What is your intention in life? You go hear all passengers on this airline should just be Chisco bus outside, plane don't fool. Now 10-5 I pay. I know they fly with Sheyi Budi and the rest again because they enter business class and they enter economy, mind my business. I know they send anybody. They can't look at you, seat number 1A, please see that. Economy 62B. I see them economy. Are you there affordable? They call it like this. The annoying part, because of time, that the pilots. Okay, you know, say all the airlines, including Nigeria, till today, you know the everything pilots they talk, but we don't say we go land. Once that plane take off, seat best sign is swap, you just say, boom, boom, boom. All this is all this is everybody's all Lagos. All this over for so Lagos. All of us are playing go be like this. If you fly Ethiopia Airways, they don't speak English. Wait to the end now. Kubura to Mangari. Kilo Kubura. This is the annoying part. We hear, we'll be landing at about. So you don't know road. Afrobeat has taken over the world. Put your hands together for Afrobeat, ladies and gentlemen. And the time was because of my time. Sir, do you know what it is for our music to grow to the point that Indians are inviting us? Look at what happened to Rema. Rema went to India to sing our song, not their song. Because all our life, the only Indian song we know is Janima, Janikije, Janima, I've Rema land airport, now 2 men wake up, baby, come down. Gotta be somebody, put them out for lockdown. I'm thinking, I said, as Asake say they call him, and Asake call them, Mama, wow. And then I say, you want to come? Very good. So right now we're going to call Asake. And when he comes, he's going to sing Yogar, Yogar. If it's Asake song, only one year, no song, Yogar. Yogar, Yogar, I'll be on my way, Yogar, Yogar. Asake perform Yogar, nobody dance. The only dance they dance now, this one. Then Asake say, if you go back and perform yoga in Mumbai, we'll give you $1 million.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We have a lot of funny videos that you will always watch and enjoy.